quickest way to make and receive phone calls on your PC or laptop using VoIPstudio is to use the VoIPstudio soft phone. So, to make a first call using VoIPstudio service, you need to download the VoIPstudio soft phone. Go to voipstudio.com/download. Or, using the VoIPstudio dashboard, click your name here, choose the phone status and click the download. Choose the right app. Install the soft phone. After the soft phone is downloaded, enter your email address and password. Check your phone connection using the free test number.
You have reached a test number.
If you want to top up your account, open the dashboard and click Buy. Choose the amount and the way of payment. Click underneath for quicker automatic top-up. To check out more VoIPstudio features, sign up for a free trial on voipstudio.com.